understand English perfectly,
That sounds like progress.
but I can't reply to a simple question.
What happens?
My brain says error 404, words not found.
That's a dramatic system failure.
It feels real, though.
For many learners, it is real.
Hello, and welcome back to World Speak English podcast.
A place where you improve English through real conversations.
I'm your host for today.
And I'm your co-host.
Today's topic is very important for learners.
Why you can understand English but struggle to speak it.
If this is you, you are not alone.
Very common situation.
So tell me, why does this happen?
Because understanding and speaking are different skills.
How different?
Understanding is passive.
And speaking?
Active, you must create language instantly.
So it's harder?
Much harder.
That explains a lot. Sometimes I know the sentence in my head.
But
I can't say it fast enough.
that's normal.
Why does that happen?
Because translation is too slow.
So I think in my language first.
Yes, then translate, then speak.
That takes time.
And conversation doesn't wait.
So what's the real issue?
You don't have automatic English.
Automatic English?
Words that come without thinking.
Like reflex?
Exactly, like muscle memory.
So speaking is like training a muscle?
Yes, not just knowledge.
Many learners only watch and listen.
Yes,
Is that enough?
no.
Why not?
Because input is not output.
What do you mean?
Watching builds understanding. Speaking builds fluency.
So both are needed?
Yes, but speaking is often missing.
So how do we fix this?
Start small.
Like what?
Repeat one sentence from a video.
Only one?
Yes, but every day.
That sounds too easy.
Easy is good. Easy is repeatable.
So fluency is not about knowing more words?
No.
Then what is it?
Using the words you already know, fast and naturally.
That's a big shift in thinking.
Yes, most learners think, I need more English.
But actually,
I need more practice using English.
let's practice useful expressions.
Listen and repeat in your mind or out loud.
I understand English, but I can't speak fluently.
Better English, I need more speaking practice to build fluency.
I can't find the right words.
I'm still building my speaking confidence.
I hit something invisible.
I need more speaking practice under pressure.
I think too much before speaking.
I'm learning to speak more naturally without translating.
Let's do a quick challenge.
Yes,
Say this sentence out loud. I am improving my speaking step by step.
don't stop, don't worry, just speak.
So, what did we learn today?
Understanding English is not enough,
Speaking is a separate skill.
and it must be practiced.
Small daily speaking is more powerful than long passive learning.
Before we go, ask yourself one question.
What is one sentence you can speak today?
Write it in the comments.
Use one word: speak, practice, confidence, or fluency.
And if you enjoyed this episode,
Subscribe to World Speak English.
we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.